Today is very exciting for us. It's the semi-final of the UEFA Champions League. It's part of our campaign, Share the Drama. And for us, Share the Drama is all about enjoying the game, the spectacle, the highs and lows, the tears, everything about the game and more. So that's what's very exciting for us. It's Liverpool versus Roma, and may the best team win. So I think it's an awesome atmosphere. So at the end of the day, we want to make sure that everybody here in Durban enjoys the game, but not just the game, the people who are watching the game. So a lot of friendships are formed. Also at the same time, we've got a great vibe in terms of music and other celebrities who are friends of the brand who are also here. So fantastic atmosphere and everybody's really having a good time. I think at the end of the day, Heineken has always sponsored the UEFA Champions League. And the feedback that we got from many people, especially those from Durban as well, is that they'd really like to watch the game with Heineken. So I think the fact that we're here and we're really embracing the game with them is a very big point for us. And at the same time, as much as we're an international brand, we're also very local and very locally relevant. So I think for us, doing events like this really speaks to that. And we just want to make sure that everybody has a great time and enjoys Heineken responsibly.